Welcome to my presentation on the issue of graffiti in Albuquerque, New Mexico. There are several types of graffiti in Albuquerque. The most common type is gang-related. Another type is political. This can be anything from a person trying to express their views or hate speech towards another person. Another type is simple tagging. This is where a person writes their name and that they are present at that location. Graffiti has been known to cause the inspiration of other crimes. These crimes include shoplifting and gang violence. A suggestion to help stop graffiti in Albuquerque is to first secure the bridges and other popular graffiti locations. This will help because if people are not able to reach the areas, they will not be able to put graffiti on it. The last way in which you can start to prevent the spreading of graffiti is by limiting the age that people can purchase spray paint. Securing the bridges and other areas will limit the space that people can put the spray paint. This will also reduce the amount of injuries from people climbing up to on the bridges and falling off. By limiting the age that people can purchase spray paint, will limit the amount of use in teens and youth by putting graffiti on the bridges and walls. The cost of cleaning up the bridges will be a total of $1 million. This would allow $5,000 per bridge. This seems like a lot of money, however, there is a need to pay for the contractors and their supplies. If there is any left over, that will help go towards securing the bridges. Securing the bridges will have an amount of $100,000. This will be also supplemented with the leftover from the cleaning, if necessary. There should be more of an emphasis on stopping graffiti by prosecution and ticketing. A proposed punishment for anybody caught putting graffiti where they are not allowed should be that they have to do volunteer work to help and remove the graffiti, as well as a $500 fine. The money would go directly towards cleaning up the bridges and securing them. Thank you for watching my video. Here are a few links for further reading and knowledge on the topic of graffiti.